This is a quick reference guide on how to access the usage report and export it to Excel in the ViewZ Android Portrait PVM CMS software. Android Portrait PVM CMS software has the ability to keep a tally of how long each video or image file has been running. This is so that if you're charging per each file the advertising fee, you can charge based on the tally of total hours it ran within a billing period. To access the usage report, click on the Player tab on the top in the main software page. Once in the Player page, choose the device from the list of devices that you want to get the tally from. Once the device is chosen, click on the Usage Log button, which is depicted by a graph. You will now see a list of all the different contents that are running on the player. Each line will show a content, playing time shown in seconds, playing time shown in hours, minutes and seconds, and the media type, among other things. To export this information to Excel, simply click on the XLS button. The Excel file will pop up on the bottom of the browser as shown. Click on it, bring it up, and then click Save to save it as a file. Thanks for watching, and for more information on ViewZ Android Portrait PVMs, visit our website or give us a call.